presenting for Sodor project for subject ICT in construction. We are from group 10, section 2. So our group member, first one is me, Muhammad IZWANSHAH bin FAUZI, NASRUL IQBAL bin SHAHRULNIZA, Muhammad FAZREEN MUQRIZ bin ZULKFLEY, Muhammad IRSYADUDDin bin BADI'UZAMAN, Muhammad Danial bin Muhammad Rofi, SYAZA SYALABIAH BINTI SALAHUDDIN, and the last one is ELVIRA and ALEXZANDER. So today we are excited to present our approach to managing the Sodor fuel oil distribution report on IS of Sodor. Our team have been organized to ensure efficient management and clear communication throughout the project. We have established guidelines for our planning, meetings, and identification project manager of each stage. We will monitor and control our work by maintaining clear documentation and using MS project for our project plan. In the first weeks, our main tasks including organizing our team, establish guidelines, and creating an initial project plan and cost model. We will demonstrate our progress in our peers by presenting our MS project plan and other documentary evidence. The oil depot will be built near Creek Ronan and a location choosing for its deep water sea lodge, which allow easy passage for the tanker. The depot will include 3 terminals for loading petroleum product in a road tanker with separate facility for premium petrol, regular petrol, and diesel. Key component of the project include constructing a jetty, installing unloading arm, building storage tank, and setting up a control room with computer facility. We will also ensure the depot has all necessary safety equipment and a standby diesel generator for emergency. Our project plan will evolve over the coming weeks as we receive more detailed information on the time scales and cost from supplier. Initially, we will focus on creating a work breakdown structure and an outlet logic of the network plan using MS project. We will also evaluate vendor and confirm our project purchasing strategy. Our goal is to produce a comprehensive project proposal report that summarizes the schedule, cost, and any challenge we face. So for Sodor 1, I'll be explaining for Sodor 1. So the total weeks that we get for Sodor 1 is 123 weeks. It's quite long, and this is our planning for our project. The project will start on the first Monday of 2025, which is on 2 June 2025. So it will start with head office works, then continue with construction phase. In this construction phase, we will have city construction, tank construction, the civil works, and mechanical and electrical work. Then piping works, and continue with firefighting, safety equipment, and painting work. And this project will be end on 12th November 2027. This is just initial cost for our project. The total cost of our project is 5,381,000 pound. The total cost is 5,781,000 for total cost for Sodor 1. This is just a start for our Sodor project. I think that's all from me, and I will pass to Daniel for Sodor 2. That's all from me. Thank you.
Thank you, ZULKFLEY, for your presentation earlier. My name is Daniel. I will continue with Sodor 2 project case study. In Sodor 2 project case study, which is focusing on vendor selection, contractor evaluation, and resource management, which were all pivotal in ensuring the project success. The vendor selection process was systematic and based on 4 key criteria: price, delivery time, vendor rating, and geographical proximity. Each vendor was scored on these factors to ensure a balanced approach. For instance, Mitsui from Japan was chosen for pipes and fittings due to their cost efficiency and moderate delivery time of 19 weeks. Despite a vendor rating of 2, adjustments were made to account for delays, ensuring the project schedule remained intact. Stockist A from the UK was selected for instrumentation because of their excellent vendor rating of 4, outweighing their slightly higher costs. Second, contractor evaluation. Contractors were also evaluated using a similar methodology, which is key examples include Tankage CM12 from France was selected due to their top tier rating of 4, reasonable cost and manageable design and erection times. JT-CCC from Greece was chosen for their competitive pricing. Despite a lower rating of 2, adjustments were made to account for potential delays, extending their erection time to 39 weeks. To maintain the overall 98-week project deadline, overtime was incorporated into critical tasks with additional costs and schedules carefully adjusted. Resource management. Effective resource management was critical for the project success. For example, high priority tasks like piping installation required 3,000 hours of work and 1,500 hours of overtime to mitigate delays. Transparent documentation of overtime and vendor decisions ensured accountability and provided a reference for future projects. In conclusion, the Sodor 2 project exemplifies how a structured approach to vendor and contractor selection, combined with effective resource management, can lead to the successful execution of complex projects. This process not only ensures quality and timeliness, but also establishes a strong foundation for future initiatives. Thank you. I will pass our presentation to Elvira. Thank you.
Thank you, Daniel. I am Elvira and Alexzander will be presented about Sodor 2. So the Sodor 3 project is focused on project plan and cost model for the fuel oil distribution reform, which is a big file for improving the efficiency of fuel supply and distribution. To keep the project on track, the project plan and cost model were updated based on the new information from the purchasing and procurement department, ensuring better accuracy and efficiency. Epic Japan was selected for the installation of plumbing and piping equipment due to their expertise, with the works optimized to reduce the sample piping installation time from 50 weeks to 25 weeks and the complex piping from 25 weeks to 12.5 weeks. Next, NEC Spirus was chosen to handle civil works such as building tank foundation and structures, aiming to complete these tasks in 98 weeks without excessive overtime, thus saving and reducing costs. The allocation of work hours and overtime was carefully planned, with overtime used strategic to keep the project and schedule without compromising quality. The revised project plan improved time and budget management, ensuring the project progressed smoothly. To summarize, revised project plan and cost model give us a more accurate and efficient approach to managing the timeline and budget. Choosing IFAB Japan and NEC Spirus is therefore part of our strategy to improve the efficiency of resource use without sacrificing quality. Adding overtime now helps refine further works to ensure that the overall work proceeds according to schedule and budget. Now I'll pass to my friend MUQRIZ to continue.
Thank you, Elvira, for the presentation about Sodor 3. Now I will introduce myself. My name is FAZREEN ZULKFLEY. My matrix number is CP240028. And now I will present about Sodor 4. On Sodor 4, this project is to indicate the project management, plans and decision made at the 4th project session. It focused on the need to track project plan rectify all task failure, and update baselines in MS project. The information provided in this document will be critical to the success and ultimate completion of this project. The main objective for this project are to evaluate the impact of vendor and contractor performance on project timelines. It's also to identify necessary adjustment to material deliveries and contractor schedule. Besides this report, also to optimize cost and schedule management using updated data and proposed solution, such as proposed solution for material delivery adjustment is for rating number 4 is no slippage, rating number 3 is 0.5 weeks slippage per 10 weeks delivery time. Rating 2 is 1 week slippage per 10 week delivery time. Rating 1 is 2.5 week slippage per 10 weeks delivery time. For our project, decision taken is vendor rate 2, example is Mitsui, were 1 week slippage per 10 weeks delivery time, but we do not need to add 1 week slippage because we don't access the access the 10 weeks. As for material which are rated for, examples such as Stockist A, Stockist C, Penso and Mindorf requires no additional action. Next, contractor performance analysis. Contractor performance analysis tasks already underway experience varied slippage based on their rating. Rating 4 needs 2 weeks ahead of schedule. Rating 3 no slippage. Rating 2 2 week slippage, and rating 1 4 week slippage. The project baseline was to establish following the implementation of earlier correction. Advancement was evaluated against this revised baseline to guarantee real-time monitoring and efficient decision making. Revised cost model include the extra fee paid to suppliers and contractor. To conclusion, the Sodor 4 initiative from our team showcase the capacity to adjust to changing project circumstance. Utilizing update information and applying focus measure, the project is set to achieve its total week by 93.15 week. This report emphasizes the significance of proactive decision making and efficient resource management in attaining success in large-scale projects. Now, I will pass this presentation to Muhammad Ishad. That's all for me. Thank you.
Hello, my name is Muhammad Ishaduddin bin BADI'UZAMAN. My matric number is CP240043. Today, I will present about a Sodor 5. In Sodor 5, currently is a week 45 on the project. And there have been some changes in the material delivery schedule and project timeline. First is electrical delivery. For our vendor is Stockist A with a rating 4. The delivery time has been reduced for 5 weeks from 20 weeks to 50 weeks. Second is a mechanical delivery. Our vendor is a Stockist C with a rating 4. Delivery time has also been reduced by 5 weeks from 20 weeks to 50 weeks. Third is a piping delivery. Our vendor is Mitsui with a rating of 2, and the delivery time has increased by 2 weeks from 9.5 weeks to 11.5 weeks. In the Sodor 5 also have changes about adjective erection, which is the contractor for this activity is a CCC with a rating 2, and unfortunately there has been a delay of 6 weeks, extending the completion time from 50.5 weeks to 21.5 weeks. That's all. All other activity not mentioned are progressing according to the original schedule and budget. Thank you.
Hi, my name is SYALABIAH and I would like to explain about Sodor 6. During the project closeout phase, there was an adjustment in the installation and finishing of painting works at Sodor 6. This activity did not occur during week 45 as it did for Sodor 5. But was instead adjusted for Sodor 6. The supplier for this works was Pico with a performance rate of 4. Due to Pico's early delivery, the original duration of 30 weeks was reduced by 3 weeks, resulting in completion time of 10 weeks. This reduction had a significant positive impact on the overall project schedule. For the complex pipe installation, the supplier was equipped with a performance rate of 3. The original planned duration was 12.5 weeks, but this was reduced by 2 weeks, allowing the task to be completed in 10.5 weeks. This adjustment also contributed positively to the overall project timeline. Conclusion: after all adjustments, the total project duration remained unchanged in terms of cost, and the entire Sodor project was successfully completed in 88 weeks, meeting the target deadline. Additionally, due to the yearly completion of all tasks, our company earned a bonus of 160,000 euros. That concludes our explanation of the Sodor project. Thank you.
Hello, my name is IQBAL. So I will present about our rabbit. So this our rabbit. The element type is loading arm. So loading arm using to inhaler the oil from the oil tanker, and then we have mooring the fin to mooring the tanker to right position, and then we have a jetty and the pipe from the loading arm to the oil tank. And then the pipe from the tank to loading arm, and loading arm to the lorry. Next, control room. Control room using for control and any system in loading arm and oil tanker. And we have office for the tank worker, 10% worker. We have maintenance shop for the maintaining truck, and security guard, fencing, and last we have train station with the railway. That's for me. Thank you.